Preparation and revision of electoral rules. Section 21 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the power conferred to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. Explain the Section 21 of the RPA Act 1950. Article 24. Article 24 is about superintendence, direction and control of elections to be vested in Election Commission of India. Its clause 1 is about preparation of electoral rules and conduct of election. Article 327 has conferred power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections, either for the House of Parliament or either House of State Legislatures. In the exercise of power given by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted the RPA Act 1950. Section 21 comes under the Part 3, that is, Electoral Rules for Assembly Constituencies. Section 21 of RPA Act 1950. Section 21 is about preparation and revision of electoral rules. Its subsection 1 says, the electoral rule for every constituency shall be prepared as per prescribed manner with reference to qualifying date and shall come into force immediately after its final publication. The subsection 2 says the electoral roll shall, unless the Election Commission decides otherwise with written reason, must be updated in the prescribed way based on the qualifying date before every general election to the House of the People or the State Legislative Assembly and before every by-election to fill a vacancy in a constituency seat shall also be updated in any year based on the qualifying date if the Commission orders it, provided that if the electoral roll is not revised as mentioned above, it will still remain valid and continue to be used. Subsection 3 says, even though the rules in subsection 2 apply, the Election Commission can, at any time, order a special revision of the electoral roll for any constituency or part of it. The reasons for this must be recorded in writing, and the Commission can decide how the revision should be done, provided that until this special revision is completed, the existing electoral roll will continue to remain valid and in use, as long as it does not violate any other part of the Act. So because of the Article 324 and Article 327, RP Act 1950 was enacted. Various provisions contained in Section 21 indicate that if an electoral roll is not revised, its validity and continued operation remain unaffected. Insofar as the electoral rules are concerned, there is never a moment in the life of a political community when some electoral rule or the other is not in force. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this and click the bell icon to stay updated. In this educational video, we have learned about the Section 21 of the RPA Act 1950. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.